Undivezela step 4 ke. Undivezela step 4. Step 4 uthi mandijonge u1 Peter 3 verse 2 to 4. Mandimjonge iBible commentary uba uchaza ukuthini. Ndim ke lowo ndiyaya ke. Sayiqala kulaa ndawo ethi, while they behold your chaste conversation coupled with fear, whose adorning, let it not be that outward adorning of plaiting the hair and of wearing of gold and of putting on of apparel, but let it be the hidden man of the heart, in that which is not corruptible, even the ornament of a meek and quiet spirit, which is in the sight of God of great price. Sijonga uchaste. Uchaste kuthiwa or pure. See on 1 Timothy 5 verse 22. The total life of a Christian wife is to be restrained in style and taste. She is to be known for decorous. Decorous. Decorous in keeping with good taste, propriety, polite and restrained. Oh, okay. So she is to be known for decorous consistency in all things. Hamba wife. Andinguyanga. Adorning. Greek. Iti cosmos. Ornament, decoration, adornment. See Isaiah 3 verse 16 to 24, 1 Timothy 2 verse 9 and 10. The English word cosmetics is derived from the Greek word cosmos. It is not fitting for a Christian woman to make a vain display of our dress and ornament to attract attention to herself. Her greatest attraction should be her Christian conduct. Inthinte laa ndawo ethi attraction to herself. Ndivele ndiyazi into bayo ngoku. Uthetha ngezi piercings. Kuba ndizazi kakuhle ziyi-source of conversation. Abanye ziyi-interest. Baba interested xa zinje. Abanye they despise them ngenhliziyo yabo yonke. They hate them. Uvela uqonda uba ziyi-turn off kwabanye abantu, kwabanye they admire them. So ndiyayazi nje zizise i-attraction whether negative or positive. So ithe xa ifika isithi ornaments to attract attention to herself, ndavele ndayazi uba ithetha nam le. Qomba ndiyakuva uthini. Ndiyakuva uthini. Ndiyasithatha isigqibo ke ndiyawayeka ke. Andizuphinde ndenze amanye. Siqhubeke sifunde. Plaiting. Peter here cites an example of ancient adornment that did not reflect pure motives. Intricate, time-consuming hairstyles were a criterion of wealth and fashion in the Greek and Roman world of Peter's time. The motive was obviously a desire for personal attention, which is not in harmony with the basic principles of Christianity. 1 Timothy 2 verse 9. Gold. Plentiful were the glittering rings, bracelets, and anklets that fashionable women wore in Roman Empire. Such wearing of gold was contrary to the principle of Christian modesty and simplicity. Apparel. Probably a reference to the fashionable custom of changing dresses and ornaments several times in a day to meet varying social requirements. Love of an extensive wardrobe has been a deceptive snare to men and women all through the ages. Money that could be spent in more profitable ways for the eternal good of both spender and receiver is often squandered on ostentatious apparel. Heart. Time taken to adorn the character with Christ-like traits is of much more profit than excessive time devoted to the outward decoration of the body. Meek. Greek is pros. Yeah, that. See Matthew 5 verse 5. The unassuming simplicity of the Christian woman will stand forth in sharp contrast with the self-assertiveness of those who seek to attract attention to themselves with eye-catching hairstyles, glittering ornaments, and fashionable clothing. Yaphinde yayi-reinforce laa nto ndaqonda uba quiet. Christian tranquility is not dependent on changing fashions, but on Christ, who remains the same yesterday and today and forever, Hebrews 13 verse 8, and whose fellowship is worth far more than that of fickle men. Spirit, that is the disposition of the mind. Quiet spirit, that is quiet mind, the disposition of the mind. Ndaqonda hayi ndikuvile ndiyasithatha isigqibo, ndiyaziyeka ii-piercings. Ndiyazithanda nje ngoku, nditsho kuye uba ndiyazithanda njengoku sezi-perfect. Ndizidizayine to a point apho zirayithi macala, noba ndithi gqi ngapha, noba ndithi gqi ngapha. I love them now.